Let's chant. We are learning to chant our family members in Mandarin. We need to repeat each family member word 3 times and then say a sentence to express our love. 我爱 means I love. Let's use 爸爸 as example. You can clap as you say 爸爸 each time. 爸爸, 爸爸, 爸爸. The last sentence is 我爱爸爸, which means I love dad. Next, let's chant 妈妈 together. 妈妈, 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 我爱妈妈. Let's do one more together. 家, it means family. Ready? Let's go. 家, 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 我爱家. Your job is to use this template to chant your family members. I've created example. Listen to how I chant my family members, and you can give a go afterwards. Feel free to join me if you like. 爸爸，爸爸，爸爸，我爱爸爸。妈妈，妈妈，妈妈，我爱妈妈。家，家，家，我爱家。爸爸，爸爸，爸爸，我爱爸爸。妈妈，妈妈，妈妈，我爱妈妈。家，家，家，我爱家。Okay, now it's your turn. You may point to the flashcard as you chant that family member so you won't get confused. You may record your chant and share it with me if you like. I've also put a beat here that you can chant to if you want. Happy chanting, everyone!